But you're gonna like the other stuff I'm doing on the other side shop.
Yeah.
I want to put a slot car crack in there, drag strip.
Uh-huh.
Oh, you're gonna like that.
Yeah.
You're gonna be like, oh my God, Robert, build me some cars.
Yeah, that's cool.
You guys are gonna love it.
So it's gonna be old school slot cars?
Yes.
Are you gonna open it to the public or?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
It's gonna be kind of like my man cave kind of stuff. And as you can see, you have your double adjustabilities, you know, and one for rebound, one for compression. And we're gonna set the sucker up and be your first sub-assembly right here. And then we'll be coming through and putting in all the little mounts and everything with the snap rings and everything, so it'll go right on your car and
It's gonna be awesome. It'll be nice.
oh yeah.
Wheels right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, and then this, as you can see, the welds right here are pretty poorly.
Yeah.
Pretty easy. Should be is the key word.
Okay.
Because once we remove those spot welds, this whole bracket would pretty much start kind of dangling.
Okay.
So worst case scenario, we may have to use a cutoff wheel to cut it off, but usually we may get lucky with like some
And
pliers
you
or
want
vice
both
grips.
of these off then?
Yeah, both need
Okay.
to come off.
Both of them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, we could do that. I can do
I
this.
can tape it up if you
Yeah,
want.
yeah. If you want, yeah, we can tape up pretty much up against this guy,
Okay.
and I would come down, wrap it around, and then from there I would go on the bottom of this line. We can come down to right here, stop,
Okay.
and then start again from right here to like this hole,
Okay.
and then pretty much yeah, we could just go straight up to right here.
Okay. Just get it all.
Yeah,
Get it all
yeah.
protected.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, just in case for whatever reason
Yeah.
start wobbling, or also
Yeah.
to just on the
Okay.
metal of it,
You want
just
to
so we don't.
this side? I'll
Yeah,
go
just
tape
so we
on the
don't.
other side.
Yeah, just so.
You're the brain.
Yeah, yeah. Just so I mean, as minimal scratches that we
Yeah.
can have.
And I
are
can't
the
over
best.
tape, right?
No, no. This is kind of where like
All right.
more the merrier
Okay.
to be safe. Yeah, we could definitely do that.
Aaron the tape man right here,
That's
dude.
it. That's it.
Fucking real deal. Barnhart special.
It's gonna be taped like no other tape.
You're never gonna see nothing like this, bro. It's one of one.
And
One
you
of
never
one.
really see a guy working under a car like this.
No, with the flops,
With the
dude. He's
flop.
got full safety equipment.
I mean,
He's
I mean-
flopping. He's got Kenny Chesney as his ringtone coming on right here. What the fuck's going on?
You've seen and heard of David Freiberger, but on the phone and
This is-
doing that. I mean, that's only here at CP Mopars, right?
CP Mopar, bro.
Yeah.
That's how we
Only
do.
here.
He's gonna take a call real quick. We'll come back to this in a second. Holy shit! I'll have to go. CP, talk to me about this tape here, brother.
So I'm doing what I'm good at, and that's protecting the paint.
Oh,
So we're gonna tape this up here so we can cut these brackets off and put this suspension on.
there we go. Professional. Pretty simple job so far. What do you think?
Yeah. Right, guys. You know, we got the right team in place. Guys that know what they're doing. We're gonna do some videos so you guys can use it hopefully. Wind, so with the welds kind of blowing the weld around, so we're gonna put this thing inside the shop, start the operation in there.
Inside the shop. We're going in, Danny.
We're going in.
Going in. Let's get this thing out of
We're
here.
going in, doctor.
We're going in. right, Robert. Well, we got a little drill going on, but how are we looking here?
We're looking really good, actually. Right now, we're just assembling the rack right now, the power rack. And right now, I'm just kind of showing them how to set up the actual tie rod ends on this thing. And we got Heim joints, and you know, it makes steering a lot better, a lot more positive when you're driving. And now we're just gonna undo the bushing for the rack and get it all set up here in a second, and make this sub-assembly finished and move on to the next.
On to the next.
Yeah.
Checking the boxes, right?
Yes, sir. Check the boxes. Dot your I's and cross your T's.
That's what it is. I never learned how to do that in school. So.
I'm still learning myself after all these years. I'm still learning, but you know what? I always keep doing it.
I love it.
Yeah.
We got Robert from Chris Motors. No, West Side Garage in the house.
It could be Chris Motors someday.
There you go.
We all work together, so why not? We're under this roof, one big happy family.
Absolutely. Look at the crew working on the Duster.
You gotta think about it, you know. We all met each other on the streets. We're
Yeah.
here now, we're working together, and you know, and thank God we're able to do it.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Love it, guys. Let's do it.
For real.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Just the rear end. This is the, like we gotta set the right height, and then I gotta put the pin at 1 degree down, and then tack the top on bracket. I mean the trim on bracket. Okay.
All right, ready to put the motor in? Chris, ready to put the motor in or what?
Let's do it. It goes back here, don't it? Actually, that one needs to come. There you go. That's just
Ready?
There you go.
Alright, let's have to put the brackets on and
Yeah, except we
we might have to move those.
Or at least what we could do is move the brake lines.
Yeah. I think that's the problem.
I don't want no problems, bro.
I got it. There you go. You do that. You put the bolt. I hold it.
Yeah. Oh! Talk to me, Robert. Look at
We
that.
have a severe case of Willwood disease.
Severe
Look at
case.
that.
We are down horrendous.
Whoa.
Ooh, Will
look at-
Wood.
Will Wood if it could. On this day we can.
We can, absolutely, brother.
Look at that.
Come on now. Shit, talk to
Look
me
at the
nice.
pain. Look at
Oh.
almost like a spinner. Whoa. What do
Shit,
we got
dude.
here?
Come on, come on.
Yeah.
Love it.
We're going that way.
That way.
So this will be a front right.
Front right.
That's right.
There we go.
Are these kind of just see the washers right on here? The washers are where the link goes. There should be. Make sure you follow up.
Yes.
But the closer I get, the worse it looks.
That's close enough for right now.
Gotta take this off or not?
Yeah,
Yeah, take it off.
Come up a little bit.
Everything look good? Yeah, really good. Yeah.
That's pretty rough. 6,000 too. I got one at the house to go inside. You do this one.
I'll say like right there. I'm good. I just need to go forward
Yeah,
towards the
this
front
one.
of the car.
This one. Just make sure this one. Okay. Yeah. Let's go forward.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay,
Forward on
I'm
this one
gonna go
too.
forward. Yeah, ready. I'll just go in some more. Hold it. Make sure I can get this. Okay, cool. So we get that good. Take the motor.
Can you get your link in?
Yeah, pretty close.
The combine has to go forward. Kind of a bit still.
Yeah. How's that look going?
Right there?
Can I give you the shot? Yeah, you got the shot.
Watch out. Going up, man.
No hydraulic. Right there more.
More. Got about 2 inches.
What a unit, bro.
What a unit, dude.
I think I'm gonna slide off.
Ooh, that's good shit out of it.
That angle. Right?
Go up a little bit. I like oh man, super.
The front of the burn is to go up.
These things flex.
Well, it's just because these collars are like so close to the stupid.
We just gotta make sure too that this thing doesn't fucking
Because it is.
flip right in.
Not, yeah, keep going little by little. Keep going. Bump it. Yeah, keep going.
done with the welding and fun or anything like that. It's,
The front's bolted, right?
the only thing we gotta do is go bolt on it. We have to just drill a few more holes. That's it. That's pretty much it.
What hell of a day, Danny. Hell of a day. We got the 4-link all in, welded in, dialed in. We do got to pull it out just to finalize and paint it and do all the adjustments. But basically ready to rock. So it was a hell of a day, great day. We did a lot of front end suspension work as well. We'll be back in a couple days to hopefully get the motor in soon. And then from there, we'll probably mess with the headers a little bit, work on that, do some wiring, brake lines, fuel lines, throw the fuel tank in, turn that key. Then from there, there's a little bit more to do. Quite a bit more to do. But we're definitely going to get it done this year, 2026. That's our goal, 100%.
It's a great goal.
She will be on the road.
I love it, brother.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. See if you Mopar. The Duster's alive. Almost. Maybe.